Hello from Slovenia again. I will try to do something inspired by B.R. Turner Art on YouTube. It's a new channel. He has a new channel, and he's just amazing. So I decided to give it this technique that he does a lot. He called it flop cup, not a flip cup, but flop cup, because he paints into the cup and just flop it kind of. It looks simple, but I'm pretty sure that it's not like all techniques. Pouring techniques looks easy when you see them, but not so easy when you try them. So, and he uses a lot of kind of rainbow colors, or all kind of these vivid bright colors. So I will do the same. So I will start with Amsterdam Azo Yellow Light, and this is Amsterdam Azo Orange, and this is Amsterdam Carmine. I'm just pouring them into the cup like for a ring pour or straight pour. And this is permanent blue violet and phthalo blue and turquoise green. All those are Amsterdam paints. And I will add some titanium white and do one more layer of those. So yellow, Azo orange, carmine, violet, phthalo blue, and turquoise. Okay, my colors are down. And what he do is, whoa, where did I get this? He pour quite a lot of white, like a base coat or a pillow or something. I don't know what he uses. I mix them just the same as mix my white the same as my other colors. When I watched videos, maybe he uses house paint, I don't know, because it does look a little different. I think so. But what I saw in the comments was just, he said that he uses just Floetrol. So I don't know. I mixed all my paints with my pouring medium as always. So, and now to the part that it's important. So let's see if I can do that. Obviously, I'm not as good as he is. So, okay, this first part is not something that I would be totally crazy about. So, let's see. Let's tilt this off, and I will go to this corner and here. I can already tell you that it's not as easy as it looks. Not at all. I want to tilt a little of this off maybe. Let's try to swirl this middle part a little bit, just to give it maybe, oops, it's slippery, some more interest. I saw this swirly thing, swirly kind of tilting on another fairly new channel, May Atelier, so highly recommend it to check her out too, because it's always fun to watch those new YouTubers and fluid artists, because they have some new ideas that maybe we want to try. I think that I have too much paint on the canvas. Maybe I shouldn't have had as much white. But obviously not. If you want to see how this should look, check this guy, BR Turner Art, on YouTube. I will put link to his channel into the description box, so you can check him out, because this should look very different than look here. But I'm just tempted to tilt some of this part off, because I have so much paint still on the canvas. So let's stretch this a little bit maybe. Try to swirl a little more here. Definitely I have too much paint. I'm afraid to leave all this paint on the canvas. And look at all of those cells. So interesting. I will definitely play with this technique more, because I see a lot of beautiful things, but obviously I didn't do a good job with the flop. I like this part, so I don't want to tilt it off, but still let's go just a little to this corner. You see how much paint I have still on my canvas. I'm really afraid that this will crack. And when I stretch this, all those interesting details coming through, so absolutely less paint next time. And I almost got some pearl cells, even though there is no enamel paint or something in this. So it's so interesting. I will just wash my hands real quick and take you for a close-up. Maybe just one more torch, because I still see a lot of air bubbles and kind of cells that they want to pop through. And you know, because you basically dump your paint on the canvas, it creates some cells and effects by itself without any silicone or any, I don't know, mixtures, special mixtures. So let me take you for a close-up. I'm sorry for the glare, but I'm not totally happy with the composition. But just a second, if I try to turn my lights on. Okay, so hope that you can see all those interesting things that are happening here. And some pearl cells just without anything. But this flopping thing is quite hard, I will say. I don't know. And I have too much paint. Maybe I should. I really like some effects here, so I don't want to peel that off. But kind of don't like this red thing here, you see. Maybe I shouldn't even do those swirls or whatever. But just something that it's really interesting to try. And I have to say that this is not as easy as it looks. Probably a lot of people say this for my flowers, that they look simple, but they are not. So I don't know, maybe this way, because I kind of see a dragon or something. But those effects here are just amazing. So this was it for today. Don't forget to check BR Turner channel to see his results. But I'm really happy with those. With this part of the pour. So this was it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.